After this turn is going to be a beautiful view.
In 10 days ಇದೇ ಕತೆ ನಮ್ದು. ಮ್ಯಾಗಿ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಮ್ಲೆಟ್ ಏನು ಸಿಗಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ.
Look at that mountain. ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಅದು. Wow. So, oh my god, where are we?
Good morning, welcome back, and it's day 3 and the time is around 7:30. So we just got up and I did a time lapse of this. So one small mishap happened yesterday, last night. So the camera fell down and I'll show you guys what happened. So I broke my lens protector last night. Luckily this broke and not the lens. So yeah, it's gone. It's fine. I have the lens, so yeah, so that's enough currently. So let's get going. I feel sad though. It's getting late already. We are all getting geared up and 4 of them already left for Chitkul, so we have to get going. So I'll see you guys on the road.
Just left the stay from Sangla towards Chitkul. But ನಾವು ವೆಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಜಾಗನ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಟಿಲ್ 1 PM. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಚಿಟ್ಕುಲ್ನ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಬೈ 1 and then we'll be off to Tabo. Chitkul is around 23 kilometers from Sangla and the roads are like this the entire way. I guess it is a 1.5 hour drive and the view is getting better and better by the moment. Woo. And the weather is so cold. It's like going for a morning ride. Ooh, okay, that was good. So, and it is extreme off-roading. I'm testing the BMW's full capacity. People ride to Spiti Valley and Ladakh just to see these hills like this. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, but coming on a bike is a different journey, is a different story. It's crazy. Oh, look at that snow. ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಗಾಡಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಸಮ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಡಿ. If anybody is looking to buy adventure tourer, I say go for BMW or the Himalayan, which is both really good. They have their pros and cons. After this turn is going to be a beautiful view. Picture in the camera.
We are at Chitkul, India's last village. It is 11,320 feet and it looks amazing. The view out here is amazing. We took a few photos here. Go take a look at those photos.
So we got a good few photos in, and it felt so good looking at those mountains. A feeling na explain madakagalla. The weather is also so cold, and that is so good. And currently we are going to the base camp, which is around 2 kilometers, and the time is around 9 a.m. So come, let's go. It's cold. Okay, we have to go Baspa River Camp, Chitkul. Okay, we're going off-roading again to the camp. It's crazy. Wow. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at that view. So this is the base camp of River Baspa in Chitkul, and the families who have come in the car are staying over there.
Pradeep sir, tell me about this Chitkul.
Yeah, this is the place called Chitkul. This is around 11,600 feet highest place in Himachal, and this is the last village of India. So here, after 2 kilometers, we will get a border checkpost. That is the border for India, Tibet and China. So this is the last village, and you can see that is called the Kinnor Kailash Valley. That mountains, whatever you are seeing over there, that ice mountains, that is Kinnor Kailash.
So that mountain there is Kinnor Kailash, and I'm going to go and take more photos.
I know you don't mean to, but you're blocking my view. I know you got issues, but I got my shit too. I don't wanna be your therapy no more, no more. You don't wanna hear this, but it's you, it's not me. Ooh, gotta go and grab a spoon now. Ooh, make a life for myself. Ooh, I don't know what I'ma do now. Ooh, but I don't need your help. Get out of my way, my way. I'm moving on up. Don't make me stay, to stay. I'm done being stuck. Get out of my way, my way. I'm moving on up. The last thing I will ever do for you is wish you the best of luck.
ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಆಯಿಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Catch you on the flip side. Maybe we can be friends when you're not so fragile. When you know yourself well, somewhere down the sweet line. When I do things for me, 'cause I don't wanna be your therapy. I wanna be free, so ooh, gotta go and grab a spoon now. Ooh, make a life for myself. Ooh, I don't know what I'ma do now. Ooh, but I don't need your help. Get out of my way, my way. I'm moving on up. Don't make me stay, to stay. I'm done being stuck. Get out of my way.
First line of defense, second Naksti post, Indo-Tibetan border police force. So this is the Tibet border. Photography is not allowed, so we are going to go. So we are at the last border line of India. That is the Tibet border. So we are not allowed to take photos or anything over there. We have to take a U-turn and come back. So we come a little further and we are taking photos. It feels good seeing all these mountains.
I can't explain it. You got to come and experience it yourself. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, like and share the video. So yeah, now it's time to go. We have to head back to Sangla now, vacate our room to Tabo. So let's go. So having some delicious. So another star dish, egg noodles. Bro, how's the food? Nice?
Super. In 10 days, ಇದೇ ಕತೆ ನಮ್ಮದು. ಮ್ಯಾಗಿ, ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಮ್ಲೆಟ್ ಏನೂ ಸಿಗಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅದು
So we are leaving from Hotel Mount Kailash. It was a beautiful stay. Thank you guys, and thank you. So we are off to Tabo now. So it's around 230 kilometers. ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಓ ಶೂಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ರೇಕಾಂಗ್ ಪಿಯೋಗೆ 4 ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಗಾಡಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 60 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಷ್ಟು ಫ್ಯೂಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ದೇಫೋರ್ ನಾವು ರೇಕಾಂಗ್ ಪಿ ಒ ಇಸ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 6 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯೂಲ್ ಬಂಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಂತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯೂಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ವೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಲೋಫರ್ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರು. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬೈಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಚಂದನಣ್ಣ ನೀನೇ ಬೈ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ನೀನೇ ಸರಿ. Look at that view. This is what we saw, front view from Chitkul. I guess this is the backside view. I'm not sure. ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಿದು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ರೇಕಾಂಗ್ ಪಿಯೋಲಿ ನಾವು ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವಾಗ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ kinnor Kailash. So this is actually the peak. We can't see the peak from Chitkul. So this is the front face of the mountain.
A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out,
Sir ji, insurance. Insurance पीछे पीछे.
I found my way.
ठीक.
I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I found my way.
So currently we are at Nako and it's cold. So freaking cold. We were having some lemon tea and now we are gonna go. Oh, I have to wear gloves.
It's cold. My hands are freezing, but it's manageable. ಸೊ ಗ್ಲೌಸ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಹೀಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂಚೂರು ಗ್ಲೌಸು. ಸೊ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದಾಗೋವರೆಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅನದರ್ 2 hour drive at night and it's going to feel good. Let's go. and the weather is so cold. My hands are freezing and it's pitch black out there. If not for my lights, let me show you without the lights how it will look. Look at that. This is how my vision is without the lights, and this is with the lights. And oh my god, it's so cold. I forgot to wear my thermals, and these gloves do not protect you from cold weather. Yeah. So, oh my god, where are we? Oh, we almost got lost. Oh, finally 9:30 and we are here